Ultrasonic cleaning technology is transforming the way industries clean and maintain precision components. Using high-frequency sound waves, ultrasonic cleaners generate microscopic cavitation bubbles that remove oil, grease, polishing compounds, and contaminants from even the smallest gaps and complex surfaces. In the automotive industry, ultrasonic cleaning is widely used for engine components, injectors, bearings, and filters. In the sanitary and bath fittings industry, it helps remove buffing compounds and polishing residues, ensuring a flawless surface before plating and finishing. Hospitals and dental clinics rely on ultrasonic cleaning for surgical and dental instruments, ensuring proper hygiene before sterilization. The technology is also widely used in electronics manufacturing, where delicate components and circuit boards require safe and precise cleaning. From jewelry and aerospace to precision engineering, ultrasonic cleaning provides faster cleaning cycles, consistent results, and minimal manual effort. Today, ultrasonic technology has become an essential solution for industries that demand precision, efficiency, and superior cleanliness. Ultrasonic cleaning, where technology meets precision. Call now 9810-065-675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.